Welcome to my Midjourney Colouring Book Earnings Update Part 5, where I have been taking you through my AI brand that I've been building up on Amazon and keeping you updated with exciting developments. So in the last update, we talked about adding an author central account, and you can see how it makes my brand look really professional. Just being able to add a logo, a description for the brand, and this layout just makes a huge difference. And the brand is definitely heading in the right directions. You can see from my earnings that I've made $543.13 since I uploaded my first book on February the 13th. And from then on, it's just constantly been going up. So you see during the month of March, I actually added the cat and the dog coloring book, and I earned nearly $100. And during the month of April, I made $182.99 just from those 3 coloring books alone. It was May where I added the horse and the bird coloring book, and from all those coloring books I made $198.25, and this month so far I'm on $52.33. So this is one of the few ways that you can actually make money with AI online. And it's fantastic to say that just from these 5 coloring books alone that I am earning nearly $200 each month. And if we scroll down just to take a look to see which coloring books are making me the most, we can see that the large print owl coloring book has made me $256.59, and it's had most of its sales in the US market, whilst the cat coloring book has grossed me $232.84. We've got the dog coloring book, and that's made me $53.71, and it's mostly been selling in the Canadian market. And the horse coloring book has actually sold through ads, which I'll go over in a minute. But the bird coloring book is yet to sell, and that's one of the things you've got to understand as a publisher, that not every single one of your books is going to sell. But if you're focused on building a brand, then my main strategy is just to have a lot of books that complement each other. So if somebody buys the owl coloring book, then they're likely to be interested in another book, and they might go with the large print bird coloring book. And I have been running ads on this brand, but these are very low cost. You don't have to be spending hundreds or thousands, but even a small amount will give your book that additional promotion. And for this brand that I've been showing on my channel, I've only been using the lottery ad strategy, which I talk about, and I've also got several videos on those, so you can check that out. So just in the US market alone for this brand, I've spent $25.40, and this has been able to bring me sales of $71.90 with a quite high ACOS of 35%, but then with 10 total orders, which is amazing as I've only spent that amount since I started running these ads in March. And this works out to less than $10 each month, which for me, I'm happy to lose as long as I am getting some sales. I've never been an advocate of spending huge amount on ads just to get your books ranked, but just make sure that you spend on ads what's relative and affordable to you. And just scrolling onto my books, the large print cat coloring book, it has spent the most, but it's also had the most amount of orders with 5. And then we've got the large print owl coloring book that has spent $7.24, and it's given me 4 orders. And it's nice to see that the large print horse coloring book has had its first order. And this is one of the incredible benefits of using this particular lottery ad strategy. You can see the cost per click is only 11 cents, but overall I've spent 75 cents. So it did take quite a few clicks to get a sale, but that's the benefit of the clicks being so cheap that eventually with time somebody will buy, and it just keeps the overall cost so low. And we can see with the ACOS, it's 9.39%. Now, if you really want to try this out and make money from this business, I've recently launched my brand new ebook, The AI Advantage, which is a comprehensive ebook offering a detailed step-by-step guide covering every aspect of the process from the initial idea to the final stages of uploading your product to Amazon KDP and even building a brand beyond that, leveraging AI tools. If we quickly take a look at the contents of the ebook, we've got some of my favorite research methods here that's just going to save you so much time and actually help you find profitable niches. Then I've got a section on copyright and trademark, which is important for yourself to know when publishing to Amazon. And after that, I've got a section on actually how to make your coloring book stand out. The next section on AI text-to-image tools such as Leonardo AI and Midjourney. After that, you've got Midjourney basics, and then you've got Midjourney hacks. A lot of the stuff I've not actually shared on my channel, including some of these prompts. And these are an absolute game changer. They'll save you so much time and will make prompting really easy for you. and there's still so much more information packed within this. And there's a special mention to the 7 coloring book niches bonus that even on their own, they're worth a lot of value. These are unsaturated niches and you'd really want to take action on them right away. If you are interested in my ebook, then I will leave it in the description, and my newsletter subscribers have already been emailed this with a discount. So thanks for watching along. I do have some upcoming videos as to exciting directions that I will be taking this brand in, so make sure that you're tuned in.